Please read and follow the list of safety precautions before assembly and use of the U-Gro Hydroponic Gardening System. A complete list of safety precautions can be found inside the instruction manual. You can download this manual on our website at ugrogarden.com. Assemble the two A-frame legs into the right and left side of the A-frame top cross support assembly. Assemble the A-frame legs into the A-frame bottom support assembly for both sides. Ensure that your A-frame structure sits square and flat. Assemble the 4 grow tube support hangers, 2 per side. Place the 6 grow tubes with mineral intake lines facing to the right onto the A-frame. Remove any blind barbs from the intake lines before the next step. Save and store them for winterization. Thread the riser onto the mineral feeding manifold assembly and push the assembled riser and mineral feeding manifold through the pail lid. Thread the opposite end of the riser onto the submersible pump. Place the submersible pump into the pail and thread power cord through the tank opening. Do not plug in the pump until instructed. Place the pail lid on the top of the pail. You may have to push the pail lid down the riser and onto the pail to fit the lid to the pail securely. Before hanging the timer, read the instructions on using the timer and set the timer for recommended feeding periods. Hang the timer on the S-hook fastened to the pail and thread the plug through the cable tie on the pail. Thread the submersible pump cord through the cable tie on the pail and plug in the timer as shown. Assemble the mineral feeding manifold to grow tubes starting with the bottom tube. Please note the blind barbs must be removed and saved for winter storage. Please read your instruction manual for steps on how to power up the submersible pump and hydration of the grow tubes. Note that the grow tubes must be fully hydrated before planting.